Hello friends, today I'm going to make a video on a PowerPoint that how can we compare the different version of the presentation. For example, you have two versions, one is older and another one is younger, and you don't want to spend a lot of time to compare them or to make some changes. So how can we do this? Let's begin. First of all, I want to open the newer version, and both are same. Right now both are same. Now I'm making some changes. For example, in the newer version we have some changes in the two different places, and let's save it. And in the older version we have few changes on the second page. Here for example, move this and save it. Now I want to compare the newer version with the older version. How we can do this? Go to the review tab, press here the compare button. It will ask you to which file you want to compare this one on which you are working. So I want to compare this newer version with the older version. I will press insert. So it will give me some slight changes here. For example, I will click here on this one. It is recommending me that there was a word introduction, you want to keep it or leave it. If you want to keep it, check on it. If you don't want it, uncheck it. So I won't hit the word introduction here. So it is, and if I click on the second option, it says there was a word in the older version. You want to keep it. If you want to keep it, check it. Now go to the second file, and the second file we have made changes in the older version. For example, the older version is different from the newer version. So again, click on this rectangle. It says the word in our older version was missing. The life cycle word was missing, and in the newer version it is present. So if you want to keep it, uncheck. If you want to remove it, and if you want to keep the older version, so click on it. So once you are done with all the changes, you want to keep this file, click here and review, which will ask you want to keep these changes, say yes. So after the comparison, the slide is ready. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.